Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
and Spice. To serve alongside our Corleone family meatballs,
for our Godfather dinner party.
we are also making an Italian chopped salad.
So what do we do first, Natasha?
We have our romaine chopped in the bowl. To that, we're gonna add some fresh bell peppers that we
Yum.
diced. So 2 different colors for a little fiesta in the bowl. We've got some cherry tomatoes.
That we cut into fourths, right?
Quartered those guys. Next, we're gonna add some julienne basil, followed by some chopped cucumber. Next, we're gonna add our provolone cheese, which is a semi-hard cheese, which plays really well with our other cheese, the mozzarella.
Oh,
This one's a
nice.
little bit nutty. This one adds a lot of really good texture. After mozzarella, we have our Kalamata olives. This is getting to be a big salad.
It's gonna be a big salad. Invite a lot of people over to watch Godfather. Speaking of which, as you put the avocado in, but when they were making the movie, the head of the mafia at the time, Joe Colombo, was trying really hard to get the movie to not be made. And he was threatening the studio heads, all kinds of stuff. So they sat down with him and they had to promise they would not say the word mafia in the film. They had to let him have mafia members be extras in the film, and he got to go over the script and approve or deny anything in it. Isn't that awesome?
That's great.
Crazy, it's crazy.
We also have our chickpeas,
Yum.
and optionally, final ingredient, peppercini.
And what is a salad without a delicious homemade dressing?
Nothing.
So that's next.
Bring it over. We're gonna add our olive oil.
Okay.
We're using red wine vinegar. If you have white wine vinegar, you can use that too. This one has a little bit more of a strong flavor, so it stands up well against the cheese and all those other things in there. We got some salt,
Yum.
some oregano,
Oregano.
a little bit of Dijon mustard, some honey, 1 teaspoon. You got that, honey?
Oh, I got it, honey.
It's a little creepy, but also. And lastly, some fresh cracked pepper.
Pepper hand.
Pepper!
And then we have this cute little dressing jar. We're gonna put our dressing in.
So it looks just like your friends are coming to a classic Italian restaurant.
Awesome. Is it time to try the salad already?
It is!
I'm starving.
So we've got our delicious salad to be paired with.
Our spaghetti and meatballs, Corleone family style. So let's dress it a little bit.
Yum, 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 yum.
And take a bite.
Time for the tasting. Ooh, I want some cheese.
Cheers. That's a big piece. You know, that's a pretty good salad, girl. Your friends are gonna love it.
It's light, but it's filling, so you can have it for lunch. Your veggie friends won't be sad if they can't have your meatballs.
And it's not boring. There's so many different things in it, but it's also very easy. So make our Corleone family meatballs, and we'll see you next time on Cinema
And Spice.